You've been promoting your product, but you've not made any sales. You are wondering what could be wrong with your product. The truth is that there is nothing wrong with your product. What you are getting wrong is your marketing strategies. In a case that you are promoting your product and you did not make a single sale, you should look into your landing page. When you are building landing page, you need to put more effort in these three sections. The first section is what we call hero section. The hero section is the first thing people see when they land on your page. So it has one job: to grab attention immediately. Take a look at this design. The biggest and the boldest text says create, publish, and profit with AI. Within a few seconds, you already understand what the ebook is all about, and the result is promising. That is exactly how hero section should work. Notice how everything important is placed here. We have a clear headline, a short description, the ebook markup, a few keys highlights, if you check this, and a strong get instant access button. Now, together, these elements help visitors to understand the product and what to do next without having to scroll. Many people make the mistake of filling the hero section with too much text. The truth is, your visitors should be able to understand your offer in just a few seconds. So if your hero section is clear, simple, and visually appealing, people are more likely to stay and keep scrolling. So we move to the benefit aspect. This is one of the most important parts of your landing page because this is where you convince people why they should buy from you. After someone reads your hero section, the next question on their mind is, what is in it for me? And that is exactly what this section answers. Now let's take a look at this design. Notice how the benefits are separated into different cards. Okay, we have beginners friendly card, we have use AI to your own advantage, create high quality ebooks, multiple income streams, and lastly, proven and practical. Instead of overwhelming your visitors with too much information, you are giving them quick reason why your product is valuable. One thing I have learned is that people don't spend minutes reading a landing page. Most people scan before they decide whether to keep reading or to leave. So your job is to make the value easy to spot. And that is why I always recommend using short headline, a simple description, and an icon for each benefit, just like the one you are seeing on your screen. It keeps everything organized and help your visitor to understand your product better. At the end of the day, the purpose of benefit section is simple. Show people how your product can improve their lives or solve their problem. Once they can clearly see the value, they are much likely to continue scrolling and eventually make a purchase. So moving to the last section, which is testimonial section. This is one of the most important section on your landing page because this is where you build trust. You can tell people how your product is, but the truth is, most people won't believe you until they see that someone else has used it and gotten good results. If you look at the example, you will notice there are three testimonies. Each one talks about the customer's experience with the ebook. They also include the person's name and what they do. This makes the testimonial feels more genuine and believable. One thing I've learned is that people trust people before they spend their money. They want proof that your product actually works. And that is why testimonials are so powerful. They help you remove doubts and give visitors confidence to buy. Now, if you are just starting and you don't have any customers yet, you can give your product to a few people for free. Ask them to use it and request honest feedback. Those first testimonies can make a huge difference. So whenever you are creating a landing page, never skip the testimony section. It is one of the easiest ways to build credibility and increase your chances of making sales. So guys, that is all I have for you in this video. I hope you learned something valuable today. Go ahead and apply this three section to your own landing page and see the result for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.